Roses are red, violets are blue. I want to order a pizza and Netflix and chill with you. I want to Netflix and chill with you, boo. Mine to Josh is roses are red, violets are blue. How did this goyim fall in love with you? Okay. I am going to make famous Italian restaurant here in Los Angeles called Jon Vinny's. They are famous for their spicy fusilli. And so I'm gonna recreate their spicy fusilli pasta, because when you are having a little moment with your Valentine, even if it's your mom, right? You're gonna be in your pajamas, you're gonna have a cute rom-com on, and then you wanna just cuddle up on the sofa with some candles lit. You drink your basic sparkly pink champagne because it's Valentine's Day. Now, speaking of the candles, it's not sponsored, Zen AF. I got these for Christmas for everybody. Like, it was in everybody's stockings, but they said, chill the fuck out. You're the tits. I also have Welcome to the Shit Show. Yeah. Jason?
Yeah.
So do you want me to start cooking now, or do you want me to pour you pink champagne?
I think you gotta cook first, don't you? And then you gotta serve food with the champagne.
Typically, I'm drinking a cocktail while I drink.
You're drinking a cocktail while you drink.
Huh.
What
Didn't
a
come out right.
concept.
Yeah, that didn't come out right, did it?
Yes, I've been drinking. I've been drinking a whole lot.
Happy Valentine's Day, pumpkin.
Happy day.
Not Valtrex Day. All right, so I'm gonna get my pasta water ready. It's gonna be as salty as the sea, as fishy as the best drag queen you've ever seen in your life.
Just got off the boat, you know, little trip from Asia, just landed like fresh tilapia.
Oh, it's on medium-high heat. Gonna use some of your Molino olive oil. Now kids, friends, my Valentines, I am using 5 cloves of garlic. The standard recipe calls for 2. I'm also doing a whole shallot. So I'm doing a whole, the recipe calls for a half. You choose you, boo, you do you. I love Valentine's Day. I could dress up as a chef and come make this for you and your girlfriend.
Oh.
Aren't I so nice?
Kind of chef.
The Naked Chef. Surprise! No. This is a family-friendly show. I just happen to have a weird sense of humor sometimes. So we did this for about a minute. Now you add your ½ cup of tomato paste. So you mix this all together. All right, we're almost ready for our pasta to be boiling. We got our fresh basil tree. You know, when you go to the grocery store, they have the basil like in the plastic bins or whatever. But if you take it home, a little bit of water, a little Tupperware, a little Ziploc, and you just cover it, what it does is it creates its own little greenhouse. And it stays fresh much longer. So you just keep this out on your counter, you know, not in direct sunlight, and it's great, and it lives. All right, it's all mixed together. Now we're gonna add our vodka, because when you add the vodka now, you cannot add it at the end. You're gonna just taste vodka. But you add it now, straight to the paste. You know, you want it to cook out. Turn your heat down to medium. Now you're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. There you go. Hello. And Jon Vinny's Spicy Fusilli Pasta for Valentine's Day.
Well, clearly it's not Jon Vinny's because it's not Jon Vinny's.
Oh, well, says the pessimist. Look at that, see? See what's happening here? You see what's happening? Do you see the transition, Jason? All right, our pasta water is boiling. We're gonna boil it for 8 minutes. It's a fun restaurant to go to, Rayo's. I use their fusilli. I wanna make sure that this doesn't get too thick. I don't want this to burn. Take that off the heat a little bit. Once that's finished, we'll drain it, put the pasta back in here, dump the sauce in there, and then you're gonna grate 1 ounce of Parmesan cheese. And then I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and fresh basil. And basically your Valentine is gonna be very thankful. So I will be thanked probably with love notes, affirmations. Yeah, well, just, you know, anything. You know, I love Saint Laurent. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I think I'm gonna run on. Do you remember that season of the Oprah Winfrey Show when she sang her intro song?
No.
You don't?
I do.
So that would have been when I was in high school. So you're how many years younger than me?
6.
Okay. So I think I was a junior in high school, which would have made me 17. So you would have been 11. Okay, great, 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 great. I like to keep a little bit of the pasta water. Keep some of that starch on there. Let's heat up the sauce. We want that piping hot. Come on, basil. While that's getting hot, he loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not. He loves me. Back on the heat. We are gonna add red pepper flakes. I did a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of butter, ounce of Parmesan cheese. I kind of do it to taste. It's a lot more than an ounce. At this point, your Valentine has a movie queued up, wine is poured, or pink champagne is poured. You are obviously zen AF because you've had 2 glasses already. Fresh Parmesan. It's Valentine's Day and I'm cheesy AF. So you can get these cute little things, right? I just made my pasta into the shape of a heart. And since I'm watching my carbohydrates, this is a pasta plate for 1. I will indulge in chocolate on the day of Valentine's Day. I will be a great Valentine, trust me. I'm not gonna be bleak, I'm not gonna be basic, I'm not gonna make Josh eat by himself. Anyways, all right, taste test. I made this before, so I already know this is good. Yep. It's worth every calorie. Cheesy, spicy, flavor, garlic. Olympia, you wanna try? I didn't make yours in a heart because, well, I forgot. I think it's good. Cheers.
Yeah.
This is foolproof, unless you're Jason, who burns the garlic.
Yay.
If you ever have a bad day, if you just make pasta, everything is better. Either that or go to Target, which I did yesterday. Speaking of Valentine, I'm gonna give Olympia this chic looking glass. Josh is my Valentine, Jason's my Valentine, Olympia's my Valentine. Happy Valentine's Day. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment, because you always do, and I love it. I love to respond. Subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, because you obviously want to be notified when the next video comes out. Happy Valentine's Day. I'll see you guys next week. Love you mucho. Come on, Olympia. Let's go, girl.
God, to eat.